Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video you will able to see the how to do SEO audit for your website free of course. So first of all we will go to SEO Optimer's website. It's free tools from where you will audit your website or your client or your company or whenever you are going. So I'm going to do this restaurant website bombaycorner.com, and I will copy the URL. I will paste it in this box, and we will click on the audit. Okay, so this tool will crawl your website and they will give you the score of your SEO report. So currently it's in process, as you can able to see. So once it's finished, then you will get a full SEO audit report where you are good, where you have to work, where is problem, where you have to focus more, and accordingly you can make a judgment, and accordingly you can take action on your website, your blog post, or your client website or your company website, whatever. So see, like 87-88% complete and D plus came. Let finish 100%, and then we'll see what is a score. So yeah, 99% completed. Let finish to 100%, and then we'll see. Yeah, so 100% done, and their SEO report is C. Now we will scroll where is the positive point, and then all the details you will. So on page SEO they are really good, B plus, which is good. Green is good one. Links, backlinks very poor. Usability A plus, and social F. So these are the signal. Now you will able to see the where you need to focus more. High priority. Link building, their meta description tag is missing, so they recommending you need to work more on that, and this is high priority. And then H1 header tag, alt attribute for all image, that is not there. Create your Twitter profile and all. So on page SEO they are B plus, but meta description is not up to mark. So he has, this website owner has to work on the meta tag optimization. Then other like H1 header tag usage is very less, they have to work. And image alt attribute, which is a helping for a image optimization, image SEO optimization, that is missing. And rest other robot.txt, XML, Google Analytics, all are connected, so it's saying green tick. Now you can able to see the ranking of the keywords also. So Bombay Corner restaurant, that is coming on position 2, total search 880 monthly, and estimate traffic 142 monthly. So these are their restaurant keywords, and their ranking and search volume, everything is there. Now you will able to see their total website traffic. So they have a very less 370 monthly volume only search traffic. So and link building is a backlink is very poor. So this brand owner needs to work on backlink. Now usability, like mobile optimized, it's A plus, that means website is mobile optimized, desktop optimized. And then the social sharing is app, which is very poor. They have to work on the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all the. And local SEO, Google My Business optimization is also not up to mark. Now you will able to see their technology which. So this is the